in TTA for Salesforce, there's a number of ways to manage tests. So firstly, you can see all your tests that you've created. You can actually tag them and set the status of those tests. You can see the history of individual tests, how they've executed, if they passed or failed, the fact they've passed and how they failed. You can also create test suites, which is just a collection of tests. So each test case you can add to the test suite to just group them together and give them a name. We also have test plans, and test plans are your traditional test plan where you have a setup, a test, and completion of tests at the end as well. So we can add test suites. We can also add tests that have been labeled within your tests. You can also choose where to run these tests. If you want to run them in our grid or cloud, or you can bring your own grid or cloud. So you can also schedule your tests. So you can schedule when you want to run the tests, either a test suite or a test plan. So in this case, you can choose which test suite you wish to run. You can even choose the label. You can choose at what time of day you wish to run the tests, or the frequency, and which days. And again, you can choose where you wish to run them. You can choose also if you want to be notified if there's a failure, either through email or Slack. So in this case, we'll just create a test, schedule a test using a test plan. And you can see all your individual runs as well. So it's possible to see each run which has passed and failed. And you can also dive in and see why it failed for each time it ran. And that completes how to manage your tests.